If you have been with AMC for a while, you may have a good reason to be very excited right now. In this video, I'm going to break down where we at right now, what I think is going to happen, and I'm gonna answer the question, should you be excited right now? I think I'll tell you after the intro. That was a little bit mean. I'm sorry. Let's go into the charts because I do think that you have a reason to be excited. Right into this. We're gonna do a short video today, so stay tuned until the end of the video so I can provide you the best information, okay? And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do it now. Subscribe so I can give you information every single day about AMC and about crypto and whatever is hot in the markets. Let's get to it. So this is where we're at right now with AMC. We are in this pattern triangle, okay, that I think looks very bullish. Why is that? I think it looks very bullish because first of all, we are on top over this trend line that I am talking about every single video. This, if we look at it in the daily, okay, we are over this huge descending trend line. We broke it, okay, and since then, if you look at on the daily, okay, because if you look on the every minute chart, sometimes it doesn't look amazing, but if you look at it on the daily, we broke it, we got support from it, okay, and now we are trying to break even more. So we are over this monthly and over that monthly. We are over these two monthlies, so this is a bullish sign, number one. Second, we respected this support as well, okay? We didn't break this support yet, and when we got rejected from here, it wasn't a crazy rejection like we got here, okay, or here. The last two touch points, you can see here, strong rejection, here, strong rejection. Right now we are touching the same area. We do get a little bit of a rejection, but it's understandable, and it's a rejection that really makes sense. So from this rejection, we are still basically green, okay? We are on a red day today, but if you look at it on the daily, the candles are green and they look nice. If you look at it on the 15-minute chart, okay, you can see why we are going down. We are in this pattern, which to me looks bullish, okay? We are trying to break this support. This is a strong support. Again, it's not a joke, and it's not a support that you will break the first time, and that's why I am still bullish. So we have the touch point here that we got rejected. Try it again, got rejected. Try it again, got rejected. We are still getting the supports from here, and we are still getting support from this 1465, let's say, line, okay? So we get support here, broke it, but right away went up from it, got support here, and got support again over here. Tomorrow and the next few days, tomorrow is Friday, so it's an important day going into next week, and I will also do a video based on tomorrow, what I expect for next week. But for now, if everything goes as planned, what I expect from tomorrow, I expect us to go, first of all, until tomorrow we're gonna have a clear answer of either we are about to go down back to this area, maybe $12-13, or if we break it up tomorrow from this area, I expect a touch here for sure. Okay, if we break up, we're gonna have a touch here for sure at around the $16. If we will have enough momentum, enough volume, and maybe even if we're gonna get a little bit help with the SPY, if the SPY will be green, even though today we traded completely not connected to the SPY went up, we went down, and opposite. But if we're gonna get a little bit help with the SPY and trade with it, that's even better, as long as the SPY is green, of course. What I want to happen is something like this. I want to get a clear break from this area, maybe get this, and I want to get this. If we are getting this movement, $20 is very close and it's not gonna take a lot of time. Why? If we get this breakout, which makes sense that it will, okay? Look, we are breaking supports. We are breaking resistances, I'm sorry. We got this resistance, we broke it, okay? We're on top of it. Right now we're trading over this resistance, which was strong resistance that we tried to break. Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, and eventually we broke it, okay? So if we're gonna get a little bit momentum from this move, break this triangle right here and go up, $20 is our next level, and I think it will come in a hurry. And if we get to this $20 level and we're gonna have enough options, I don't think it's gonna happen tomorrow. If it's gonna happen tomorrow, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be a 30% day. You never know with AMC, but no, you can't expect that. This is dreams, okay? So it's not gonna happen tomorrow, and that's unfortunate. Why it's unfortunate? Because the options tomorrow, look at the $20. It had 53,000 open interest, which will probably go to trash unless we're gonna have a crazy, 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 insane day, which don't expect for that. It can happen, but you can't expect it. But at least what we wanna do, if we even close over the 15 is good. If we close over 16, even better, another 19,000, which is very good. Going into next week, and to next week in the options, we don't have much, but I believe it's going to change through next week, and more open interest will gather along over there. Okay, so this is it for today. Again, if you see a break, and this is to sum of the video, if you see a break over this trend line tomorrow, okay, over this little trend line tomorrow, we can expect to go to around, to touch at least the $16, and if we're gonna have enough momentum and volume, we will break it, and the next stop is $20 next week. If it's not gonna happen, we will probably go to the bottom of this trend line, okay, and we will probably get to around the $13 level. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen tomorrow, but it can happen until next week maybe, for example, and it's going to be around 15% down to the stock. Again, not a financial advice. Do your own DD, do all of this, and I will see you on the next video. And again, if you like the video, you can comment what you like, what you don't like, whatever you need to say. And if you didn't subscribe yet, I will give you a second. You see this over there? So this is your time to subscribe, so you can have everyday content on AMC, crypto, and whatever you need on the market. And this is it for today. See you on the next one. Bye bye.